Hello and welcome back once again to your online English class. Children, today in this video we are going to practice a worksheet. We had already learned about the concept of on, in and under. Do you remember? Yes, that's nice. We have also learned how to write small cursive letters, isn't it? Yes, so let's get started. First question is we have to place the ball, this is a ball, on the table. On means where should we keep? The ball should be here or here? Yes, the ball should be kept here, which means on the table. Now let's draw the ball on the table. See, I have drawn a circle like this, and you can make any design as you want. So the ball is on the table. Now let's color the ball. Since this ball is pink in color, so I am also coloring the ball with pink. So now my ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. Now the next question says, put the ball under the table. I have to keep the ball under the table. Should I keep the ball here? No. Then here. Yes. This is under the table. So now let's draw the ball. The ball is under the table. So let's color the ball. See, here the ball is on the table and here the ball is under the table. So the next question says, join the dots. These are the dots you can see here. These are the dots. So you have to join the dots following the sequence of alphabets. We know after A, what comes after A? B, then C, then D, then E, in this way. This is the sequence of alphabets. And also write the missing alphabets. As you can see here, after A, what comes? B. Can you see B here? No. It means B is missing. So we have to fill up the missing alphabets and then we have to join the dots and then we will see what picture have we got. So now let's start. So this is cursive small letter A. Now what comes after A? B. So we are going to write here B. What comes after B? C. So we are going to write here C. Then what comes after C? D. E. But here E is written. So what comes after E? F. Yes. What comes after E? F. What comes after F? G. After H? I. I is already written here. So what comes after I? J. What comes after J? K. But K is already written here. What comes after K? L. What comes after L? M. What comes after M? N. What comes after N? O. Then what comes after O? P. So P is written here. Now since we have filled up all the missing alphabets, now let's join the line. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Already from H to I line has been joined. So then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Wow! Can you see what has been formed? What is this? It's a candle. Yes, it's a candle. Candle. Now let's see the next picture. Q. What comes after Q? R. What comes after R? S. What comes after S? T. T is already written here. What comes after T? U. What comes after U? V. What comes after V? W is already written here. So now let's join the dots. Q, then R, then S, then T, then U, then V. Can you tell me what is this? This is a diya. Next thing is mentioned here. Now color the image. Let's color this with yellow. The fire or the flame. Here also. Now let's color the candle. You can color it with any color you want. So I am using green color.